Is it a bad accident?
I think somebody hit the bridge. There's a fire under the bridge.
Ooh, did someone go off?
Or is it just from before? I think it's from before.
From before?
Like a long time ago, there was a fire because the sign is now, the height sign is good.
I see what you're saying. I can see it charring there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like somebody did hit her.
Yeah, I'd say somebody hit it.
They're
doing an inspection.
Yeah, they're looking at it. Yeah, I bet you it was a truck that was too high.
Yeah.
Boom. That's a surprising stop. I bet you it's all gone now, the truck, though. I bet you.
No, I think it's underneath there.
Oh, maybe it is over there, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think he hit it. He just caught on fire underneath the bridge.
Yeah. Well, yeah, there would have been more damage. You're right. He hit that at speed. It would have been some damage.
Look at all sorts of people here.
I can't see anything.
Go slow.
There's the truck.
Look
that's
at part
burnt.
of it. Oh.
That's a semi-truck.
Oh yeah.
How the heck did he?
Oh, he did hit it. I think. Look at this. There's something.
There's some stuff hanging, but is that just from burning? There's no damage on this side. I don't understand that.
Oh, but that he went this way.
Oh, he's going the other way. He came that way. You get into the ditch and then hit it.
Oh. And I think he kind of hit that pillar.
Yeah.
Holy crap.